Lady Tradie. It is Christmas Day, but that is not going to stop me. I have a super quick job to do today. One of the gifts I got for Christmas is a doorbell because I never hear it when people are knocking on my door. And it is going to be the easiest 2-minute installation job that I've ever done. So don't stress if you need to do this stuff yourself. Easy peasy. The products that are out there these days are amazing. Wireless technology and just a straight plug it in receiver. So let's do it. Plug one into an outside power point, or if you're on a large property or a large house, you can plug it in another location inside the house. Great buy from Bunnings and really handy and really simple. So there you have it. It's as simple as that. Peel and stick it onto the door and plug the receiver into a power point, and it's done.